Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Ready to discover the coolest ways to stay entertained in your favorite mall? Check out these must-try activities at Trinoma. Beat the heat while still making the most of summer at Trinoma Quezon City. Whether you're looking for a fun family day, a chill hangout with friends, or a solo adventure, there's no shortage of exciting and other indoor activities to enjoy. From delicious local products to family group experiences and creative workshops, Trinoma has something for everyone. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Pinoy Malls series. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.